CNC, or Computer Numerical Control Machining Centers, represent the core of modern precision part manufacturing by replacing traditional manual operations with computer-programmed control. CNC offers unparalleled precision, a wide selection of models, and exceptional machining quality, solidifying its role as the primary force in precision machining. The key strengths of CNC lie in its automation, high precision, and multifunctional integration. Unlike traditional manually operated equipment, CNC machining centers automatically execute diverse processes including milling, turning, drilling, boring, and tapping, based on preset programs, minimizing the need for frequent human intervention. They are capable of machining complex profiles, such as planes, curved surfaces, and threads, represent the core of modern precision part manufacturing, as well as handling irregular shaped parts, precision shafts, and disc-type components with high accuracy, adaptable to one-off customization, small batch prototyping, and large-scale mass production, producing parts with precise dimensions and smooth finishes. This is the competitive edge of CNC technology. It is widely used in the metalworking, mold, and die manufacturing industries. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome your attention subscription. Welcome to leave a message in the comment area and consultation to get more industry information.